Alright, there have been a lot of you guys absent Monday and Tuesday, past 2 days. We took these notes combined over those 2 days, so I'm going to get you guys caught up on these. We're looking at exponent rules. Moving on, starting a whole brand new topic. The essential questions on the board, but you can't see that. It's how can I multiply and divide using the rules of exponents? So, first one is addition and subtraction. This isn't really a big topic because you've done this forever. This is just distributing and combining like terms. In this example, there is no distribution, but adding and subtracting, you just combine the like terms. You get 5x squared. The big two that we learned the past 2 days is multiplication and division. So for multiplication, the trick here is to multiply the coefficients, the first step, and when we do that on the example down below, you get 4 times -2 is -8, and then you add the exponents for each variable. When I say for each variable, I mean you look at the x's first. We have 9 here, and that's the invisible 1 right there, so overall there are 10 x's. X to the 10th, and y to the, look at our y exponents, 2 and 4, gives us y to the 6th. So we have simplified this and got -8 x to the 10th, y to the 6th. That's multiplication. Division is the other one. The two rules here, the two steps, or the two tricks. You divide the coefficients. Looking at our example, we have 12/8. That gives us 3/2. X to the 6th over x to the 4th. There we are going to subtract the exponents for each variable. So 6 minus 4 gives me x squared. Same thing with the y. Y to the 3rd minus y to the 1st power is y squared. We do not want to leave our answer like this. I want to fix this fractional coefficient. I don't want a fraction there. I'm going to rewrite this as 3x squared y squared over 2. That's my answer right there. That's my simplified version of that. Next, we have negative exponents. A lot of times when you're dividing, because there's subtraction going on, you can get negative numbers. So, the way we handle that, most of the division problem is still the same. Divide the coefficients. 2/8 is 1/4. X to the 3rd over x to the 6th, subtract 3 minus 6, and you get x to the -3rd power. Y to the 3rd over y to the 3rd gives you y to the 0, which is nothing, so that can just go away. Now, the problem with this, we cannot have a negative exponent. It's not fully simplified yet, so that is incomplete, I guess you could say. The rule there, move the variable to the denominator and turn the exponent positive. So this x to the -3rd power gets moved down to the denominator. And on the bottom, we have 4x to the 3rd power. Up top, we still have the 1. So there's our answer here. There's our simplified version of that expression, 1 over 4x cubed. That's as far as we got Monday and Tuesday. Thursday, we're going to look at the next topic, which is power to a power. What I mean is we have this term right here with exponents or powers to another power outside the parentheses, so power to a power. The rule here is that we are going to apply the outer exponent, 3, to the coefficient. So 6 to the 3rd power. 6 to the 3rd power is 6 times 6, which is 36, times 6 again, which is 218, I believe. 36 times 6 is 216. So our answer is 216 That's the first step. Then we are going to multiply the coefficients. Not coefficients, what is that? Hang on a sec. Okay, we're fixed now. You're multiplying the exponents, not the coefficients. So I have a 4 times a 3, that becomes x to the 12th power. A y, we have the same thing. 4 times 3 gives us y to the 12th power. There is our simplified version of that. I've sent you the worksheets that go along with these. So if you've missed them or if you need another copy, you have them on your Google Classroom.